Hi everybody, this is the linguist Danny Kang. Not long ago, I bought a pair of skis, but I found that, okay, you see my ski boot there, my shoe size 295 to 300 millimeters, and it was too short. So I'm gonna extend it. You know, the things that you put the ski boots on. Yeah, I'm gonna extend that, maybe about 5 centimeters. Tools, you probably have all these tools at home. I have glue here too. This is for wood, but doesn't really matter. Cotton swabs, I'll show you why you need that. Yeah, rulers and everything. And this is kind of important too, you know, the sandpaper. I'll show you why. I took it all the way back, and I still need probably about 3 or 4 centimeters, but just to be safe, I'm gonna extend it 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeter extension, and the back one about 3 centimeters further back, and the front ones about 2 centimeters forward. Okay, first let's unscrew. You lift this first, like that. Unscrewing, that's the fun part. There we go. Let's see. Yes. Okay, now. Wow. Oh, all right. There we go. Okay. Wow, I see water here. I guess like, yeah, years ago, who knows how old. Yeah, years ago water. So, you know, the material is kind of a little bit protruding up. Yeah, that's what happens when you try to drill a plastic material. So, I have my cutter to smooth it. I'm gonna cut it out, you know, this part here. So when I put this, I would say a guide. When I put this back, it's gonna sit snugly, you know, without rocking, without wobbling. So I'm gonna cut the excessive part of this, you know, ski plate plastic. Right. Front ones about 2 centimeters forward. So it's gonna be, you know, 2 centimeters is gonna be about here, right? And since you need to mark with the pen, you kind of sandpaper, kind of abrade this little here, so you can mark, you can leave clear marks. I'm gonna move 3 centimeters here. Just about here, 3 centimeters. Okay, now it's time to mark. There we go. Yeah, and now the dot is pretty clear because I sanded it. Meters up. Yeah, I put like tiny dot. So now you have your like a new holes. You know where they go, like this one here, and one here, and one there. It's about, that's 3 and 3, and again 3, 3. So when you drill the ski, start with the small one. I think I'm gonna start with the smallest, and then one larger or 2, and see actually how deep the holes are. And to see it, it's not that deep actually, it's about just this much. It's about 1 centimeter deep, so that's it. Okay. And nice. Let's see how deep it went. Okay. So I did 1.5. That's the starter. And the next I did 3. Last one, 4 millimeters. Okay. Very good. Just shake it up. Okay. That's pretty well. Okay. Now drilling is over. I have 4 new holes. It's 1, 2, 3 new holes. 2. Now, what I need to do is to fill the old holes before I put the holders back. These back. What do you call these, by the way? I don't even know. The holders. Cotton swabs. I have these cotton swabs here. Just to fill this hole here, the new old ones, like that, okay? And then you glue it. Alright, you just put it in there, and then you cut the cutter. It's gonna be okay. And you're gonna roll it to make. I don't know what the actual ski technicians do, but this is how I do it. Okay, then you just put some more glue, I guess. Yeah. Okay. It's good. Okay, it'll be okay. Now, yeah, let's put this in. On. Let's see right here. Okay. Very good. Very good. It's almost like you're drilling. You're making. Like enlarging the holes, and that's gonna be very tight. It goes off. Yeah, okay. The head's all the way down now. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, yeah. Now, one ski is ready. Okay, let's see if I can put my ski boots on now. Okay. I need to tighten a bit, right? Okay. Now, let's see. I'm gonna move this wall forward. How far? I don't know. Pretty far. I hope not all the way. Let's see, maybe about this much. So, ski boots. Okay. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Alright. I gotta go do my second ski, but I think I need a break. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. That was linguist Danny Kang. 강상균 언어학자.